Samsung is gearing up to unveil its highly anticipated flagship smartphones, the Galaxy S24 series, in less than 2 months. While early leaks hinted at notable improvements, such as increased RAM, a recent rumor contradicts these claims, suggesting that the RAM upgrade may not materialize. Renowned leaker Ice Universe has shared information about the upcoming Samsung phones. According to the leak, the standard Galaxy S24 is expected to come with 8 gigs of RAM, and even opting for a pricier version won't allow users to increase this amount. The Galaxy S24 Plus will offer a 12 gigs RAM option, but its base model will still have 8 gigs of RAM. Similarly, the starting model of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to have 8 gigs of RAM, with the higher-tier version boasting 12 gigs. If these rumors hold true, it could potentially impact Samsung's reputation, as consumers may be displeased with the company's decision to maintain lower RAM capacities in its flagship phones for 4 consecutive years. This becomes a concern given the growing reliance on on-device AI, which typically requires ample memory. The situation is exacerbated when compared to other Android phones from different brands, which are offering 16 gigs or even 24 gigs of RAM, creating a perception that Samsung might be cutting corners. The Galaxy S24 series recently received certifications in various countries, including India, Vietnam, and the US, a month ahead of its launch. The FCC certification ensures compliance with connectivity and radiation level requirements, marking a significant milestone in the pre-launch phase. Specific models approved for the USA market have been listed. The global availability of the Galaxy S24 phones will encompass regions such as Africa, Australia, Europe, and Latin America. Reports indicate that the global versions of the S24 and S24 Plus will be equipped with the Exynos 2400 processor, while models in Canada, China, and the US will feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor. The S24 Ultra is expected to utilize the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip universally. For those who prefer the Snapdragon variant, opting for the top-tier S24 model might be the preferred choice. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.